Hello viewers, welcome back to Humble Traders channel, a channel where we always look for setups, analyze them using a unique strategy that we have been using or explaining on the channel, which is the SIWA strategy. Identify entry points, enter, monitor our trades, and also try to identify exit strategies. For the past week, we have actually been trading a lot of pairs. Not a lot of pairs, but a selected few that we have actually tried to analyze using the SIWA strategy. But as the strategy matures and develops more, as we try to explain the metrics surrounding it, we have also subjected it to stress tests, and we have seen that unless the setup lines up properly and every part of it lines up properly, then there is need to continue waiting, because the strategy is SIWA strategy, and it means what? Study, investigate, wait, attack. You can see that is the system you are seeing on display. It constitutes some indicators, like two types or three types of indicators. We have the EMAs, the MFI, which is the money flow index. We also have the unbalanced volume, the OBV indicator, and then we have the ATR indicator. So once you have set the system up like so, just like you're viewing on my screen now, and you identify developing setups, you don't do anything but wait for them to actually align with the direction of your analysis. If they do, take the trades without any hesitation. If they don't, continue staying out until you find valid reasons to enter the trade based on what the system tells you to do. I'm going to link some videos down below that will aid in setting up the system the way you see it on my screen, and also other related videos that we have discussed after we noticed that a major taker of profits is the pullback, and you need to stay out of pullbacks if you don't know the extent to which they go. And we also try to even gauge levels of pullbacks, and that's when we realize that pairs don't, instruments or forex pairs don't retrace the same way. If one pair will retrace to 61.8 Fibonacci levels, there are some other more volatile pairs that will go deeper, like gold, palladium, platinum. We prefer to go deeper when they retrace, when they pull back. So as I was trying to just understand what gold is doing, I tried to revisit the chart of gold to see exactly what it is doing, and then I noticed something very important that I may have I know it exists, but I may have oversighted or forgotten to actually remember what happens when such things happen on the charts. And if you remember, I've been saying gold has reached the end of a cycle and is starting a new cycle, just like I said in dollar and in Bitcoin, the same thing is happening. But for gold, I forgot to, maybe my mind didn't get to it due to other things preoccupying my mind, but I didn't remember that it is just starting that pullback that it needs to do at the end of a cycle. So gold is just starting that pullback, and we do not expect to see higher prices just now. It has to finish doing that retracement, retrace to wherever it wants to retrace to, which could be up to what, 78.6 Fibonacci level or 61.8 Fibonacci level, which would maybe be achieved in the next, here what you are looking at is now the chart of gold, which may be achieved, maybe you can see only this one candle may not give us such retracement, and we need to just give gold more time, at least in the next 2 months, for it to what? Finish its retracement at the end of the cycle, then resume trend. Due to this, we have actually decided to exit all our positions in gold, no matter how huge the loss is, because we cannot endure the pullback. And that's one of the decisions you must get to make as a trader. A trader may have a solid system, a trader may have 99 winning trades, but there is this one or two or three losing trades that you just have to be able to make a decision. You may take that decision no matter how difficult it is, because you know if you cut down losses, you have mitigated a lot concerning your account, you have protected your account. Then what you do is you quickly what? Go and do other things, like take other trades that you believe are already in motion. And that's exactly what you did. If you're just joining us on this channel, do well to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and then if you have any comment, drop them in the comment section and we shall come and address them by God's grace. We are here for that. We are here to carry beginner traders, intermediate traders, and even advanced traders. I'm looking forward to receiving comments from even advanced traders. So we will see what you're all thinking. If we can collaborate, and we can collaborate in doing these things together. And if your strategy is okay, my strategy is also okay, then we just keep killing the markets like that together. But there are some systems are easier than others. And my system, I believe, is one of the simple systems that even a beginner trader can actually implement and then begin to record success. And like I said, this is not a financial advice. Whatever I say here does not mean you should go and open a trade using your live money, your live funds. All I advise is to do is to what? Go and try on demo first. Use demo. As you can see, we take trades both on demo and on real accounts, just to show you how solid the trading system is, and we're not afraid to take it on our live accounts. But doesn't mean you should go and take it on your live account yet, until you perfect the art of trading with the SIWA strategy. So having said that, we are going to stay out of gold. As you can see, we have closed the position in gold. Let me show you. And we have opened positions in other pairs that we believe are going up already. So you can see we have positions in USDJPY, and we also have positions in what? CHFJPY, and we are going to continue following those positions since we believe they are poised to go higher. Let's check our other smaller demo account also to see what is happening. This is the account that we started taking the live trade execution on at weekly open, this weekly open, and we can see we are progressing gradually. The only thing we did was we closed the position in gold. We agreed to build our account back up, and we trust that this strategy will do it for us in no time. For these trades that you are seeing, we did not enter until everything lined up, right from the USDJPY trades up to the CHFJPY trades. CHFJPY is another one of the volatile pairs. It goes up, then has the tendency of retracing back quickly, and then it will now continue up in the direction of the analysis of the trend. So we are going to keep following these trades as we try to wait for gold to finish what it's doing and return back to trend. And we can also take it both on real and on demo accounts. We also have a real account which we have been trading from $15. You can see where we are right now. We have actually been trading this account right from what? $15, and here we are right now where we are. We are almost at the $27, and this we started it this week. We started it this week at market open too. So, but there is a major killer of a small account, which is when you see profits on your dashboard, you try to run away and close it then try to re-enter, and when you try to do so, that is when you begin to what, lose some part of your profits to the market. But now with this trades open, we want to try and trail our stops only. We will try and trail our stops provided they are moving in our direction. We shall only try to what, be trailing our stops until what, we see a reason to finally get out of the market. So that is exactly what we intend to do. As you can see, exactly what we are trying to do right now using our live account. I'm just quickly going to gauge this. I will gauge this. If USDJPY is not yet ready to rally, we will not wait for the retracement, but we would what? We would only actually okay, it's ready to rally because look at it, we had a good push to the downside, and that is that retracement that we saw on the monthly. So we can see the level the retracement came to. Let's place a red horizontal line there. It came here, and we can view this on the weekly. You can see that is the same level it came to. I think almost 50 or 61.8% of the weekly candle, and maybe 38.2% of the monthly candle. So it is now showing signs of recovery, and we are taking the trade, but it is currently experiencing some pullback. But we are still going to hold this trade because we believe that we will record higher prices, as this trend is just actually in motion. From the bottom of the early cycle that we have seen, we are going to try and follow it and take whatever pips that is offered to us by the price. So this is exactly what I expect you all to do. Don't jump and open a live trade yet until you have all your analysis actually lining up together, and then place appropriate stop loss using what, your ATR. Like what you are seeing here is 1.5 ATR deducted from our entry point on the 5-minute chart. This was a 5-minute entry, and we placed our stop loss at 1.5 ATR, and we shall continue following it and see what the New York session will do. And that's the update. That's the update on what we have going on our charts, all our trades. Our demo is moving fine. The live trade execution is also moving very, very fine in our favor. And you can see even the other accounts that was suffering heavy losses in palladium, gold. So I haven't analyzed palladium and platinum the way I analyze gold and others. So I'm still going to go and analyze palladium and continue to gauge what it is doing, but I have exited those positions. I left only platinum on because I believe something may happen in platinum soon, but I will still analyze it also and then report back. If there is any reason to close them, I will just close them and then keep on building this account and see if we can get to $100,000 anytime soon. So this is the update, and then stay with us as we bring you more updates concerning what we see and our analysis on the charts on the and also the progress of our open trades. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our videos, and then you can begin discussing with us at the comment section so we can see what you want to see from us and strive to bring it your way. Thank you very much once again, and see you in the next one. Stay safe.